You're now watching Q News. Here are the top stories for this hour. Thousands of protesters have gathered in Tel Aviv after Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu dismissed Israeli defense minister. Israeli media reported that the protesters have blocked Tel Aviv's main highway, stopping traffic in both directions and lit numerous bonfires. Sacked Israeli Defense Minister Yoav Gallant has given a press conference stating that 3 months of disagreement led to his dismissal by Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu called on the government to bring home the hostages in Gaza while they were still alive. Additionally, he insisted that all Israelis of draft age must serve in the military. Israel's far-right National Security Minister Itamar Ben-Gvir has praised Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu's sacking of Yoav Gallant on a post on Telegram. Ben-Gvir said that an absolute victory in the country's ongoing wars was not possible under Gallant, and that Netanyahu did well removing him. Israeli bombardments have killed 5 Palestinians and injured others in the north of Gaza City. Gaza's authorities said that Israeli occupation targeted a group of people in the Zarqa area. Russian President Vladimir Putin has stated that the key to restoring peace in the Middle East region lies in implementing a two-state solution based on UN resolutions and international law. Putin made these remarks at a ceremony for new foreign ambassadors in Moscow and emphasized that Russia is actively working to prevent the Palestinian-Israeli conflict from expanding into a broader Middle Eastern war. People have been killed in an Israeli airstrike on Barja. The Ministry of Public Health confirmed the casualties in a statement, adding that rescue operations and debris removal efforts are still underway. Lebanese media reported that Israeli operations in southern Lebanon completely wiped out more than 37 towns, resulting in total destruction of over 40,000 housing units. They added that the Israeli occupation forces demolished entire neighborhoods in various southern cities and devastation concentrated in an area extending 3 kilometers from Nakura to the outskirts of Qnews. Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky says the Ukrainian military's first clashes with North Korean troops has opened the way to more global instability. Minister Rustem Umurov also confirmed that an armed engagement had taken place with North Korean troops in an interview with South Korean television. U.S. Deputy Ambassador to the UN, Robert Wood, has condemned North Korea's intercontinental ballistic missile launch. He made the statement at UN headquarters jointly with representatives from Denmark, Ecuador, France, Greece, Japan, Malta, Panama, Republic of Korea, Sierra Leone, Switzerland, and the United Kingdom. With North Korea's launch, in addition to the more than 100 ballistic missile launches since 2022 to date, is a clear violation of multiple UN Security Council resolutions, jeopardizes international peace and security, and threatens to undermine the global non-proliferation regime.
It is time to stop obstructing and rejoin the rest of us in voicing a united.
At least 89 people have been declared missing after deadly floods in Spain, according to regional judicial authorities in Valencia. More than 200 people died after heavy rains last week caused waterways to overflow, creating flash floods that surged through the suburbs south of Valencia, sweeping away cars and bridges and flooding properties and underground car parks. Prime Minister said he will make 10.6 billion euros to help victims. This concludes our talk for this hour. Don't forget to follow Qnews on YouTube, Facebook, X, Instagram, and TikTok at QNewsEG to stay informed. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more updates on Q News.